I'm hoping that these really help. Like, they said that they're for allergies. My eyes get, y'all, they be going through it, and it's pollen. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. I usually just do the regular Visine, but I'm gonna try this Visine. It says it's for allergy eye relief multi-action. So we gonna see if it do the job. And yes, I am using my teeth. For anybody that asks, if I can. I finally got it. Okay, and then I got some Vaseline for these lips because they be going through it. I haven't ever tried this kind before, so we're gonna see if it works. I'm really a Palmer's girl, but I'll use Vaseline every now and again. But we're gonna see if this works. I mean, it's okay. Got a nice little consistency to it. We're gonna see how long it lasts. Put it on your lips. It acts like it's gonna stay, and then you'll be dry again in 15 minutes, 10 minutes tops. You'll be dry again. So for all my dry girlies, you know what I'm talking about. Dry lip girlies, you know what I'm talking about. We need something that's gonna hold us. If you got a recommendation, please recommend it for me, y'all. Let me know what you're using. Carmex, I cannot use Carmex. It just burns my lips. Okay, so I try to use other alternative measures. So anything other than Carmex, y'all let me know. All right. I mean, it's given.